normal software development life cycle. So it is always starts with the idea. Okay, right? There is a new requirement comes in, or it can be, you can just think of it like a, imagine like on a car, like you want to bring in a new functionality. Okay, let it be an infotainment system or a security car safety system or in car automation system. You have a new idea comes in, and after that you will design it with your technology, like on my technology where it is going to sit on it and how I going to do it. And after designing, you will be coding that particular application or particular component in the whole application, and you will be doing the testing it. After testing, you may do a POC of it, like on the prototype of it, and people will test that. And after that, it goes into the production and it goes into the life cycle. Okay. So this is a normal software development life cycle where which starts as a concept, and then we design it, and then we test it, and then we will implement that, and people started using that particular component. Okay, so in the software development life cycle, we have these steps, like you will identify the required software, analyze the software requirement, and then detailed specifications, and then you will do a design, programming, testing, and then maintaining. So this is a typical thing, and people will always follow the like normally people will follow the waterfall model. Okay, so I'm talking about in the past people used to follow a waterfall model where the scenario is only after the requirement is closed, you will start the design of the application. Okay, only after the design is completed, you will start the development, and only after the development starts, development completes, the testing will begin in it. Okay, and because of that, if there is a change request comes into the product, like for example, imagine I'm developing a software, and the real requester is going to see that piece of application in action only in the UAT phase. In the UAT phase, there could be scenarios like either the requirement was misunderstood or misconcepted. Okay, and because of that, it is not matching the requirement from the user. Okay, that is one scenario. Or otherwise, the market dynamics itself changed. Okay, so the market dynamic itself is changed and the requirement is obsolete now, and I want to make the changes to the requirement so that it can match the market requirement. Okay, in that case also things will fail. There a statistic says, okay, so 17% of the IT projects were impacted at the UAT stage. Okay, so basically shows that, okay, and another study shows that there are nearly 40 to 50% of the time are wasted on the rework. So basically it is like people will start with the project, and after that there is a change and people started reworking on the particular requirement again and again. Okay, and then 60% of the initial requirement change through the average deployment project. Okay, and only during the UAT phase, people will tend to see the what is this application is all about and all those things. Okay, but at the same time, business is expecting a faster delivery because business needs to go to the market as fast as possible. Okay, a typical example will be, okay, Ola versus Uber. Okay, so you know that Uber is an international player. Okay, they have operation across the globe, like let it be US, UK, Singapore, all those things there. But Ola is an India-based company, and they captured the majority of the Indian market because they came to the market first. As they came to the market first, they captured the majority of the market. Majority of the market they have captured, and the people, once they like, as you know, like we are loyal to a brand, right? The best example is like Google. Okay, so we are loyal to Google in such a way that there is a new word itself coined called Googled. Okay, right? The searching is now become Googled. Okay, so we are loyal to a brand, and once we start a thing with a brand, we will tend to stick to the brand, and until unless you have a very bad experience, then only you are going to switch the switch the brand. Like example, like you tend to get your cabs on time and you are not charged much on Ola. You will never think of like going to a Uber because Ola started it and we all started with the Ola app and we continue that. Okay. At the same time, I will give you one more example. Okay. So in the social media platform scenario, okay, I think the first social media platform to come into is called Orkut. Yeah. But Facebook is become very popular and now we are into multiple social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and all those things. Okay. So it had more features and it kept you as much as interactive as possible. Orkut is like a very dull interface and you can't do much when compared to the Facebook. You cannot put a video and all those things. So that is the reason Orkut went out of the business and they tried to come up with a new name called Google Plus, and even that didn't pick up much when compared to the other social media platform. Okay. So going to the market first is going to keep you alive in the market. You need to ensure that you are giving new functionalities to the product so that people will stick to the product. And that's how after Facebook, Instagram comes into picture and lots of people moved into Instagram because the interactiveness of the Instagram is a lot better than the Facebook. Okay. So whenever I want a product to survive or get faster, get better reach in the market, there are two things. One is first, I need to go to the market as soon as possible. At the same time, I need to ensure that I'm delivering a quality product to the market. So the actual need from the business is like, I want to deliver a quality product faster to the market, and that is where all these technology comes into picture. How I can ensuring delivering a quality product faster to the market. Okay, so this is the basic requirement from the business, that see, you follow whatever method you want to do, like you follow waterfall, agile, or from the business perspective, they don't mind like what is you are facing, you what is the methodology you are following to deliver a product. But for me, I need to ensure that I should deliver a quality product faster to the market. And that is where these agile methodology, DevOps scenario, these microservices, all these things comes into picture, helping a business to deliver a quality product faster to the market. Okay.